Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to close Bybit account. For that you need to launch your Bybit mobile application. Now I've tried to delete my own account and I found that in Bybit you don't need to actually have the deletion option of your account. Rather you can deactivate your account but you cannot actually delete it. So in order to delete your account permanently, what you need to do is you need to simply contact to the customer support team of Bybit. For that, on the home page you need to tap on the headphone icon that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to tap on start asking. Now here in the section of the chat you just have to simply type that I want to delete my account, and then you just have to press enter. Now as you were typing this query you might get some of the articles like I want to delete my account. So if you have selected it, it will show you the account or the deletion option. So you just have to tap on the account deletion and it will redirect you on the account deletion article. Now over here it will show you some of the guides relating to the deactivation of your account. So you just have to follow these instructions in order to deactivate your account successfully or delete it successfully. Now if you want to contact with them, then you just have to tap on this headphone icon that would be in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you can regenerate your query and ask them to delete your account permanently. So if you don't want to delete it, then you can even go with the deactivation process. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video, comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.